Hello my little friends and their parents. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're liking my videos. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notification for the next video. I hope your children are learning the basic concept behind each of these stories, because if it is bringing even a little change in their behavior, that would be a great success. So today our story is Voices Are Not For Yelling. It is written by Elizabeth Verdick and illustrated by Marika Henlin. What do you use your voice for? Talking. Hi. Asking questions. How are you? Telling jokes. Laughing. Ha ha. Singing. La la la. You sing high or low, loud or soft, to fit the feeling of the music. Your voice is a powerful tool. How you use it is up to you. You have an indoor voice that's quiet, purr. You have an outdoor voice that's loud, fetch. Where do you use your indoor voice? At school, as you work and learn, or at the library, or when a baby is asleep. Sometimes you use your indoor voice in the car or on the bus, in waiting rooms, or at the movies. How does someone ask you to be quiet? Maybe like this. Zip it, lock it. Peace sign fingers, covering your ears. Finger to the lips, whispering, shh. Quiet zone. Shh. Slow countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where do you use your voice? Outdoor. That's easy. Outside. A loud voice matches your feelings. Woof. You have lots of different feelings. What happens if you are mad or frustrated or really excited? Oops. Your voice gets louder and louder. But look around. Are you using your outdoor voice inside because you want to be heard? Voices are not for yelling. Yelling hurts people's ears and feelings. Use an indoor voice so people hear the words and not the yelling. This is how you can quiet your voice. Take deep breaths in and then slowly blow them out. In and out, out and in, until your body calms down. Now it's time to use your words. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. That's okay. I can build a new one. Will you help me? Remember, voices are not for yelling. Think before you yell and use your words well. Thank you for listening to the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notification for the next stories. Please make your children learn the new concepts through these stories and make them a better human being. Thank you.